Malawi.
Well, that was Stephen Makosa. They giving us a report on the works of Oba Development Association. I know some of you may not be used to this accent, but I know with the time you'll get used to, because he is now part of us. Well, moving on to our next story. Some teenagers in Kamhonde have decided to give a helping hand in the repairing of some roads in Makonde. Let's get that report from our reporter Sani Gwariwa.
The repair and maintenance of roads in Makonde, in Mashona and the West Province, is far from over, as youths in the area have now joined villagers and transport operators who played the route in repairing the road. In Kamhonde, Newsnet Media caught up with youths who put themselves to the task, spending their days digging and filling up potholes on the Kenzamba-Kamhonde road. When asked by Newsnet Media, the youths encouraged business people to also take part in repairing the road. Residents of the area said the move taken by the youths is good for them, as it helps them to abstain from drug and substance abuse.
Kuti havasi vose vane pfungwa idzodzo, vazhinji vavo vari kuita zvemadrugs, asi zvino vechidiki vaita muono wekuti mugwagwa yedu yatinayo munyika haichaiti yaane makomba pese pese, michovha haichakwanisa kunge ichisvika mukati medzimwe nzvimbo. Asi kana vakapota vachivhara kudai so, zvoreva kuti michovha kana kuti maduta vanhu anotakura vanhu akwanisa kuti avatitakure achisvika mukati medzimwe nzvimbo dzasingachakwanisi kusvikwa nemaduta vanhu kana nemabhazi.
The rehabilitation of roads in Makonde started last year when local miners, villagers and transport operators teamed up to repair some critical areas of the Alaska Copper-Queen Road, which is a major link that connects Makonde and Gokwenembudzia. To date, the road has fairly been rehabilitated, though there are some areas that need further attention. I am Sani Gwariwa, reporting for Newsnet Media in Kamhonde, Makonde.
Well, that